Hello, in this Kentico training we'll talk about tables. This is used a lot on the committee pages where you are logging in agendas in minutes. To begin, you start by logging in at www.wlac.edu/cmsdesk. Use your username and password and you should arrive on a page similar to this. Depending on who you are, you may have access to multiple folders or to just one. Navigate to your folder on the left side using the bar. Today we're going to work in the sandbox. By clicking this triangle you can expand or collapse your folder. We're going to expand it and we're going to work on training page with table. On this side of my screen is our live page. So we're going to scroll down and there's our table. To add a row into your table, click on a row, then right-click on your mouse, go to Row, Insert Row Before or After. Let's do After. Again, click on the row, go to Row, select either Insert Row After or Insert Row Before. There we are. Be sure to save. And by the way, when you save, it becomes live on your it uploads to your live page right away, so be careful when you're saving. If we wanted to delete a row, again we right-click on our mouse, Row, Delete Rows, and it goes away. Click on the row, right-click, Row, Delete Row, and it goes away. Save. How about when we want to merge cells so that we can have a bar across, like this one? You highlight the cells that you want to merge together. Sometimes you may have trouble, I'm not in this case, but you may have trouble highlighting across cells that have no text in them. If that's the case, put an X or anything in those cells, highlight them, right-click, go to Cell, and Merge Cells. Let's do it again. Highlight the cells you want, right-click, Cell, Merge Cells, and there they go. I'm going to undo that one with the undo arrow there. Now if we want to turn it the standard blue background color for tables that we're using on agendas in minutes, I would go back to the row, I would right-click, and I go to Cell Properties. What I'm going to put in background color is the pound symbol, that number sign, the letter D, 7, E, 4, E4EE. Okay. And there's my color. And we ask that you please use the standard colors that are used throughout the web. Be sure to save, and let's check if it worked. We refresh our page. There it is. If I want to format the text in that cell or any cell, I highlight it. I come up to the formatting cell, and I'm going to select Heading 2. This one I would like a little smaller, so I'm going to select Heading 4. Okay? And for the text in all the rest of the cells, I want to keep that normal. Always save. And on my line screen I can check my work. Looks good. Okay, how about when you want to create your own table? You would get into an open space, click the Table button. Most of our tables are 3 columns, and your rows will depend. Let's say 10 for now. The width should be 550. Cell spacing would be 2. Cell padding 2. Okay. And there's our table. And again, if we wanted to add or subtract a row as we went along, right-click, Row, Insert Before or After. Now, most of the time in agendas and minutes you are creating links. We covered that in another session, but let's do it here as well. Here might be the date that you put in of your meeting. Say it's October 1, 2014. The document that we want to link to is already on the server. We highlight it, click the link icon. Our documents and pictures live in the media library, so we want to click the media library tab. Documents is already selected, but we would choose documents. And we're going to go to our folder, Sandbox Stuff, and link to our document. Let's see, it's blue. That means we've got a link. Let's check it. Refresh our live site. There's our PDF. It worked. But how about if the document is not on the server yet? In one set of steps, we can both link and upload the document. Highlight the words, link icon. We're going to work in the Media Libraries tab again, because that's where we want to upload our document. Select Documents, and then, especially for people with multiple folders, be very careful that you choose the right folder. I want to upload to my Sandbox folder. I want to upload a new file. I go out to my desktop, I grab my file, open, there it appeared, insert. I'm returned automatically to my page. Blue, that's a good sign. Save. I come over here, refresh it, and there's my document. So in one set of steps, I both created the link and uploaded a document. That's how you work in tables.